Measures are one of those things that most people take for granted. They treat them almost as banal. Hi, I'm Professor Ken Alder, and I teach history at Northwestern University outside Chicago in the United States. And I'm a historian of science, and I first got interested in the history of the metric system at the time of the French Revolution because it was an incredible transformation in how people conceptualized their relationship to daily objects and to science. And one of the things that history can do is take things that we sort of assume and take for granted and show that they have histories of conflict and change. And measures are one of those things that most people take for granted. They treat them almost as banal. But in fact, it took enormous hard work to create the metric system during the French Revolution, and involved an expedition, two astronomers sent out from Paris in opposite directions to measure the size of the world. The meter, it turns out, is 1/10,000,000th of the distance from the North Pole to the equator. And they had many adventures along the way, and the story of their adventures and how they transformed the metric system at the origins is the history of my book, The Measure of All Things. And in a way, it's what we celebrate here at the BIPM and at the 150th anniversary of the convention of the Metre, a time when we should take stock of how much we owe a common language of measurement around the world.